Hey Jake, I was thinking, how about we cook dinner together tonight?
That sounds fun. What do you have in mind?
I was thinking of making something simple but delicious. How about pasta with a homemade tomato sauce and a side salad?
Perfect. I love pasta. Do we have all the ingredients?
Let me check. For the pasta, we need spaghetti, tomatoes, garlic, onions, olive oil, basil, and some Parmesan cheese. For the salad, we'll need lettuce, cucumbers, tomatoes, and a dressing.
Okay, I'll check the fridge for the veggies. We've got tomatoes, cucumbers, and lettuce. I think we're good on that front.
Great. I see we've got garlic, onions, and olive oil, but we're out of basil and Parmesan cheese.
No problem, I'll run to the store and grab those. Do we need anything else?
Maybe a loaf of fresh bread to go with the pasta. Garlic bread sounds amazing.
Well, good idea, I'll grab that too. Be back in 20 minutes.
20 minutes later.
All right, I'm back. Got the basil parmesan and a fresh baguette. Where should we start?
Let's start with the sauce since it takes a bit of time to simmer. I'll chop the onions and garlic, and you can start prepping the tomatoes.
Sounds good. How do you want the tomatoes?
We need to blanch them first so we can peel off the skins. Easily give some while that's heating up. I'll finish chopping onions and garlic.
I got it. Water is boiling. I'll drop the tomatoes in for a minute.
Great. Once they're done, put them in ice water so the skins come off easily. Then chop them into small pieces for the sauce.
I'm on it. So what's next after the tomatoes?
Once the tomatoes are ready, we'll saute the onions in garlic and olive oil. Then we add the tomatoes and let the sauce simmer for about 30 minutes. We'll add the basil towards the end.
This smells amazing already. I love the smell of garlic cooking.
Me too. Okay, I'm adding the tomatoes now. We'll let this cook for a while. Let's move on to the salad while the sauce simmers.
I'll wash the lettuce and chop the cucumbers. Do you want to cut the tomatoes for the salad?
Sure, I'll also whip up a quick vinaigrette with olive oil, lime juice, salt, and pepper.
Nice. Do you think we should add anything else to the salad?
We could add some croutons or maybe some cheese if you want. What do you think?
Croutons sound perfect. I'll toast some of the bread to make them.
Great idea. I'll keep an eye on the sauce. It's starting to thicken nicely.
Awesome. Croutons are ready and the salad is done. Should I start boiling the water for the pasta?
Yes, let's get the pasta going. Don't forget to add salt to the water for extra flavor.
So done. How long should the pasta cook?
About 8 to 10 minutes for al dente. I'll check it once it's close to being done. How's the garlic bread coming along?
Just about to pop it in the oven. I spread some butter and garlic on the baguette slices, and I'll toast them for a few minutes.
Perfect. The sauce is almost ready. I'll add the basil and a bit of Parmesan to give it that final touch.
Everything is coming together. The pasta is done, and the garlic bread smells amazing.
Great timing. Let's drain the pasta and toss it with the sauce. We can sprinkle some extra Parmesan on top and serve it with the garlic bread and salad.
This looks delicious. I can't wait to dig in.
Me neither. Let's set the table and enjoy our dinner. It's nice to cook together like this.
Definitely. Cooking at home is way more fun than eating out sometimes.
Agreed. Bon appetit.